Okay, so for today's recording, I'm going to show you how to create a profile picture for all your social media platforms. And it's really simple. One thing when you are setting up your social media platforms in terms of a business, you want them to all kind of be cohesive, but you also don't want them to be confusing. And so one trend I am noticing online right now is that a lot of people are just using solid colored backgrounds for their profile pictures. And so I'm going to show you today how to easily do that and how you can easily just upload each one. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Canva. And as you can see, I have already set mine up here. And so we're going to start with create a design. So I'm going to do 4 profile pictures. I'm going to give you the specs on them now. So for Facebook, it's going to be a 180 by 180 px. For YouTube, it's going to be an 800 by 800 px. For Instagram, it's going to be a 320 by 320 px. And for Twitter X, it's going to be a 400 by 400 px. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down here to custom size. And as you can see, I already have the 320 by 320 in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create new design. The 320 by 320 is the Instagram profile image. I'm going to pick an image. So here, and I'm going to pick this one. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit edit photo, edit image. And I'm going to remove the background of that image. And as you can see, that was super easy and quick. And then I will just extend this out. I'm going to line it up. And then I'm going to highlight the entire square. And since I'm doing 4 profile images, I'm going to just hit duplicate. Well, where did it go? Let's try that again. Duplicate. Oh, I hit the delete button on accident. Duplicate and duplicate. So now we're going to start with this one. So you want a solid background picture, usually something that'll match your brand, something that's going to stand out. So I'm going to hit background color. And for this one, I'm going to pick this color pink. And then I'm going to label this one. I think I did this one for Instagram. And then this one, make sure that you highlight the big square, not your image. And you're going to pick a different color. So I will pick this one here. I'm going to name this one YouTube profile. Pick. And then I will scroll down to this one. I'm going to pick a different color. So for this one, I think I'm going to pick probably purple. And I will label this one Twitter. And then our last one. And we're going to pick, let's see, we will pick, that one's, okay. So we'll pick this one, and this one's going to be, which one did I left? YouTube, Instagram. So this one's going to be Facebook. Okay, so now that we have all of those, they're not the right size, obviously, because the 320 by 320 is for Instagram. So That's an easy fix. We're going to go up here to resize. We're going to scroll down to custom size. We're going to scroll up here and we're going to change this one. So the first one we'll do is YouTube 800 by 800. We're going to check it. But we're going to go right here to this little arrow. We're going to uncheck all of them. But we know that our YouTube one is the second one. Done. Make sure it's checked up here. And we're going to hit continue. Copy and resize. And then we're going to open it. So now, double check that I got that right. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to name this one. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to do the same with, so the third one is Twitter. So we're going to go up here and do the same again. We will scroll down to custom. Scroll back up a little bit. We're going to change this to 400 by 400. And here we are going to uncheck all of these. Just check number 3, hit done, and then hit continue. And copy and resize. And then we're going to open this on Lacy. And then we're just going to label this one. And then we're back to this one here. And the last one's going to be Facebook. Facebook says that it is a 180 by 180. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to scroll up here. 180, 180. Uncheck all of these but this fourth one. Done. Make sure that's checked. Hit continue. And we will rename this one. Okay, so now we can delete these out. Just leave this one. That way we'll name Instagram. Okay, so now I have my Facebook profile pic. I'm just going to go here to share. I'm going to hit download. And I'm going to download this image. Now that it's downloaded, I will come over here to my Facebook profile tab I already have open. I'm going to hit this over here, the little camera button, sorry. And then I'm going to hit that. Open. As you can see, it fits within the profile circle. And then I'm going to hit save. And now that one has been changed. So you can easily just do that across all of your platforms. I have already done it with my YouTube. You just have to do it with your Instagram and different ones, but that's how you easily create a cohesive branding across all your platforms, but the different backgrounds allow you to know which platform it is and allows your followers to also know which platform that they are following. So if you have any more questions on how to do this, feel free to drop them in the comments below. In the meantime, make sure to share with me your new profile pictures. Bye.